You can add a lot of non-text content to your pages. For example, here I'm at the web links page. If I click on the edit button, I can see all of the options of things that I can insert in the insert menu. When you click on insert, you'll see some common objects: image, link, table of contents, subpage listing, and horizontal line. There's also gadgets and Google, so here's all of your gadgets and there's more, and Google options, so AdSense, documents from your Google Drive, Picasa photos, all sorts of other things including videos. To add an image, you're going to click on Insert, Image, and you're going to need to navigate to where that image is. So you can choose File if this is a image that is on your computer, find the image you want and click on Open. You'll see the image show up here. So I'm going to click OK to insert that image. The options that you have when an image is put in, you can change the link to where that goes. Right now it just goes to where just that image itself. It would show up by itself if you clicked on it. You can remove that or change it. So if I wanted to change it, and I do this a lot with images, if I wanted it to go to the Everyday Math online site for kids to be able to log in, I would search for that, and then I would copy and paste the URL. So either Control C or right click and copy, and I would paste that in the link to this URL, and I would click open in a new window because I wouldn't want them to leave my page. I want it to pop up in a new window, and click OK. You can left, center, and right align the picture. You can change the size from small, medium, large, or go back to the original size. You can wrap it so that you could put text on this side of it or on the other side of it, and you can turn the wrap off, which is what it has right now. I like that there, so I'll click Save to save those changes. Now when I click on Everyday Math, in a new tab, it will take me right to that Everyday Math page. You can also insert a picture via URL. I would only suggest doing this if it's a picture that you have up on a Flickr site or Picasa or somewhere else that it's yours and you know it's going to stay there. The problem with linking to URLs that are not on your own accounts is that pictures go up and come down from the internet all of the time, and you'll end up with a little box with an X on it if it goes away. But let me show you how to do that. If you go to Insert, Image, and change the radio button here to Web Address. Now I need to find the web URL that I want to use. I'm going to go to View That Original Image. Here's that image. If I copy this and go back to the web links, I'm going to paste that, and you can see that it's a .gif file, which is an image file, and you can see the picture showed up, so that's correct. If I click OK, you're going to see that it's going to pop up here, but it's linking to where that picture came from, so you can change that again if you want to also go to the Everyday Math online page. So when you click on the picture, it'll hyperlink there. Open in a new window and click OK. And that works exactly the same if I click Save and then click on the image. You'll see that it'll then again go to the Everyday Math login. You can also add videos to your pages. So I'm going to go to my multimedia page and go to my video page here. You can add videos that you want students to watch at home, or videos that you have taken in the classroom, or of field trips or anything like that. You need to click on Edit because you need to be editing to be able to add things to a page. You'll see that there are some placeholders here. I want you to just delete all of those, so I'm going to select this whole page and just get rid of all of them. So I'm going to put in a video about nouns. I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go to More and go to YouTube, and I'm going to search for nouns. I'm going to use the Schoolhouse Rock video, so I'm going to copy this link right here. I would highly suggest watching any video all the way through before linking it on your page. And I'm going to go to Insert and all the way down to Video and click on YouTube. And I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to change the title to Schoolhouse Rock Nouns Video and click Save. One of the things that you can do if you want to is change the size of the video. So by default it always chooses the 480. 640 takes up a little bit more room, and the 1280 is going to be full width of the page, actually bigger than the page that you have. It's a full screen size. I never use that one. I'd say 640 or the 480 would be the most common ones that I would use. Once I have this in, I can center it, right align it, or left align it, and again text wrap on or off. And once I click Save, you'll see that your video is here for anyone to play. When they click on the play button, they will have options to make it full screen, so you don't need to, that's why you don't need to worry about too much about the size of it on your page. If you have videos in your Google Drive, you can also insert those. I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to click Enter to go down a little bit further. If I go to Insert, Video, and go to Google Docs Video, it's going to pop up and show me what videos I have in my Google Docs. So here is the Big Friendly Giant, and I would click Select, and this is giving me a specific play size, so I can't change that. You can include the title or not include the title. You could also change it to BFG by Roald Dahl and click Save, and the video will be then placed in here. You could also put a title above it, and when I click Save, you'll see that that video is embedded the same as the last video.